the means, the method, always affects the message and the messenger.
Mm-hmm.
Do you get what I mean by that?
Yep.
I'll give you an example. Social media. You're on social media. You've been on social media for a while. If you're not proactive about your presence on social media, what happens?
The message can get lost.
The message can get lost, and you as a person can change.
Yep.
Right? And these are methods that have been designed to psychologically change you. So it's not nothing to do with you being a bad person. That's just how it's been designed. Right? Now, the da'wah over the past 10, 20 years has changed. And the du'at have changed. They've gone, bro, I remember when du'at used to be people of influence, bro. Now
we're talking about the West.
Even in the West, bro, the du'at, the imams of the masjid, the tulab al-ilm used to be people of influence. Now they're influencers. You know, the difference between being a people of influence and an influencer. The means, the method changes the message and the person. I'm going to ask, what's the difference? What do you think is the difference between being a person of influence and an influencer?
I mean, what I understand from that is a person of actual influence and a clout chaser.
Okay. What's the difference between making noise and having a voice?
Okay.
What's the difference between having followers and having authority? A lot of our du'at, and even unfortunately tulab ilm, have gone from being people of influence in society to people who make noise. And to being influencers. And the da'wah, especially in the West, and even unfortunately it's starting to follow suit in the Muslim lands, has become about the algorithms and about what's trending